This is GE Aerospace, advancing flight for future generations. Welcome to a new era of flight.
The journey to net zero is arguably the aerospace industry's biggest priority, and it's one where GE Aerospace is leading the way, as its exhibit here at the Singapore Airshow makes clear. No demonstrator perhaps epitomizes the seismic shift that aerospace must make in the coming decades than the revolutionary Innovation in Sustainable Engines program, otherwise known as RISE, being developed by CFM International, GE Aerospace's joint venture with Safran Aircraft Engines. The initiative aims to reduce fuel consumption and carbon dioxide emissions by more than 20% compared to today's most efficient aircraft engines. And that is a huge step in the right direction. The engine includes weight-saving features such as carbon fibre and ceramic matrix composites and additive technologies. But the key innovation in RISE is its open fan engine architecture, including its variable pitch fan blades. This has its roots in a program that GE Aerospace developed with NASA back in the 70s, but has been resurrected for the middle of the 21st century. Chuck Jackson from GE Aerospace explains the revolutionary thinking behind RISE.
So RISE is really all about our commitment as GE Aerospace and CFM to the industry's decarbonization efforts. It is the single largest step and the largest investment that GE Aerospace has made in its commercial history. That is really an important aspect of how we're going to develop this. We're about 100 tests through our decade of innovation around this technology. GE's primary role is through technology innovation and the support of broader initiatives like SAF and alternate fuels. They're all going to be required. Collaboration is so vitally important for all industry partners, whether it's airframers, engine manufacturers, to do their part. Our biggest contribution will be through the RISE engine with that 20% improvement, but supporting other initiatives like SAF and other portions are going to be so vitally important to our industry.
GE Aerospace is pioneering other sustainable initiatives too, from ensuring that all its commercial engines today can operate on sustainable aviation fuel, to a specially designed foam wash that ensures that engines operate more efficiently. For the aviation industry, reaching its net zero targets will be no easy task. Countless obstacles stand in the way, from the limitations of current technology to the availability of SAF, and questions over who pays. However, as announcements this week at the Singapore Airshow prove, GE Aerospace and others in the industry are determined to do whatever is in their power to cut aviation's footprint and usher in a new era of air travel.